There are multiple ways that you can create a new project in Drive. My advice is always start with your Drive because that shows you everything, shows all your files, and it allows you to create new docs, slides, forms, everything. So you click on the new button here. In this case, we're going to create a new slides. So there's docs, sheets, slides, and if you click more, it gives you an additional menu that has even more options over here. So we're going to click on slides and our slides will appear. Now there's also another way that you can create a new slides that's actually easier than that. If you just go up to the search bar, you can type in slides.new, hit enter, and a new slides will automatically open and it'll automatically add to your Drive. Now we're going to call our presentation your last name and then the word practice. Now to add a new slide, you click on this little plus sign, okay, and that adds a default slide with title and text. But I want you to see that if you click on the tiny little arrow to the right of the slide, it gives you a whole bunch of other layouts. These are the layouts I want you to work with anytime we do a slides. Please do not create your own mix of text and photos. I don't want you to add text boxes. I want you to use these options. Now, if you choose a theme, which are right over here on the right side, sometimes the options that you get when you click on the little arrow are different. Sometimes they're the same. It does not matter if you add themes or not. Themes are fun. Feel free to use them.